Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today we're here in avenue, a street lined with trees. You can see there are families here with small children. The specific house that we're going to be looking at is this property right here. It's a house that belonged to architects, but their family expanded faster than anticipated, and it is therefore, whereas they plan to restore the property, they are now leaving it for the new owners to do. It is a fantastic renovation project in a house which has most of its original features still intact. Let's go and see what it looks like on the inside. You can see here a beautiful front door with a knocker. The security has been fantastically sorted out with a sophisticated alarm system, which I believe cost close to 10,000 rand. It works remotely, and I think it is also it only works with sensors, but I'm not 100% sure. This is the room in the front. It's a medium-sized bedroom. Beautiful floors, lots of plugs and plug points. Then look at these happy doors that go originally into the lounge, but now with the drywall on the left, it was turned into a passage. Just note here on the other side of the fireplace in the kitchen, there is some wall problem. This drywall has been turned into a mini lounge with a large marble fireplace. There are beautiful original light fittings and a staircase that goes to a second bedroom in the front. Here you can see there's a water tank along the side of the house to catch rainwater. This part here, there's a new floor that was laid here by the present owners. It is just light and airy. It's hardly a kitchen here. It's for you to make the kitchen. There's a stove here. Next to the stove, you can see this is where the old fireplace used to be. It's just been closed up. It is open plan to a kind of a dining area that flows with double doors to the garden. To give you a sense of the bathroom, it's a neat bathroom. Maybe you want to make a different vanity here. There's washing machine facilities. It has a reasonably high ceiling, and you can see that the windows will need attention. There's a real long drop water closet. Looking back to the kitchen, we're going to go upstairs and have a look at that room last. Your garden has got a little kind of courtyard area here, some greenery with I don't know if this is a grapevine that was here before. More than enough place for potted plants. It has double sliding gates, which are relatively primitive, but it's the way how you close up this back area. A big servitude that some people use as parking. There's a gate at the end there to the street. It is all enclosed, and it is very civilizedly managed here. There's even a little doggy keeping an eye on things there in the distance. There are also this is also ideal for children playing in a safe environment here at the back of all these houses. There the doggy is making a noise. The house next door has been seriously extended into a double story, and now we're gonna go and see what it looks like upstairs, the last room. Here is your kitchen door area. Upstairs is just light. It is the lady in the house is a jeweler, or that was living here, the owner, and she has used this as an upstairs studio. This window has been closed up, sealed in, closed. You can see it seems to be leaking or was leaking there. It is all relatively low, the ceiling, except for here by the window where I can stand up in a 1.87 meters tall, and it has got beautiful views of the mountain. You can get a sense of what the roof looks like, and Lion's Head there in the distance. Well, if you want to know more, thank you for watching. Visit my website hotpropertyinCapetown.com, where you will find a floor plan and all the details. I've got the keys. I would love to show you around. Werner, I'm your man. Thank you for watching.